This was a totally new concept for anything that we've done at IBM before. Customers had ideas of how they worked in this environment before, and it was a challenge even for them to understand how they wanted this new product to work.
Enterprise Pools allows a user to put a collection of servers into a pool and share the processors and memory that's on those servers across the pool. And some of the things that we wanted it to do was we wanted to provide a model where you could only pay for the processor memory that you use when you use them. And also we wanted to have automatic activation and deactivation of this capacity so that there was no human awareness or intervention needed. What this allows is a customer to have the financial benefits of the public cloud where they just pay for what they use when they use it. But because the servers are on premises, it's actually implemented in a private cloud, so they have the security that a private cloud infrastructure brings. So traditionally when customers purchase servers, they tend to over-purchase capacity for many reasons. One is because it can take a long time later to purchase additional capacity versus what it takes up front. Second, they have to plan for the maximum workload usage on those servers, and they have to have enough capacity to cover that. And third, it's challenging for them to understand what kind of growth their business is going to undergo in the next 1 to 2 years. So they need to make sure they have enough capacity to cover that growth. And then once they purchase all this capacity, they still have to find a way to activate it, which is normally a manual process. They either have to move licenses from server to server, or they have to turn licenses on. So someone has to be there, be aware that they need the capacity to activate it, and then deactivate it when they no longer need it. So Enterprise Pools covers these two issues for customers in a very good way, because first of all, they don't have to over-purchase capacity. The capacity is there and active, and when it's needed, it will be turned on and used, and when it's no longer needed, it will be turned off automatically. And in addition, because it is automatic, customers no longer have to go through the steps to manually activate it and make sure it's there when they need it.
Our design team was made up of researchers, UX designers, front and back end development, marketing, and product owners. We work together as a whole team constantly, iterating on this design, making it better. We worked with IBM customers who were interested in this new technology, this new function. Probably every other week we were meeting with them, asking them questions about how the product should work, what the designs should look like, what information or content should be on the screens, and how they wanted to interact with it. Because this space is so new, this idea concept is so new, the users had a hard time envisioning what kind of information they wanted us to put on the screens, what information they needed to know to plan their capacity and understand how much they're using on a day-to-day basis.
Because it is pay-as-you-go, we wanted to provide the users a way to limit their capacity usage to stay on budget. So we provide them a way to set a monthly budget limit, and they can also customize thresholds and receive alerts when that budget is close to being met.
So we're really excited as a team to be able to build this product that was innovative and improves efficiency for our customers and really lowers our cost of ownership. And we're planning on building on this technology for future project offerings.